In this user guide, we'll be taking a look at how to do a diode check with Pokit's multimeter function. So for this you'll need either a Pokit Meter or a Pokit Pro. I'll be using a Pokit Meter for this demonstration, some wire grips which are optional, and a diode. So on the device's screen you want to press measure up the top right, then select multimeter. Next we want to go to mode over on the right here and select diode, which is at the bottom. So grab your device, you can pull out the leads, connect these wire grips. So you don't necessarily need these wire grips, but it can be good if you want to just hold on to it nice and securely. So next grab your diode, connect the positive one and the negative. You can see we've got a reading of 1 there, so that's just showing that it's running in the correct direction, the diode, so the current's able to go through. So it's always going to round up to 1 with Pokit Meter. We'll switch this over and we should get no reading at all, which we don't, which means the diode is good. Switch this back. If you want to save the data, you can press the save button up the top left here, and that'll save down to your history tab down here. Press the I button on the side and you can see your data, and if you select that you can export it as well and send it wherever you want, save it to your phone, and you can delete it by pressing the bin button. And that's how to do a diode check with Pokit.